In this video, I'll show you how to use Chat GPT to generate a regular expression that will be used in a Make.com scenario to match and extract a value from a block of code. My name is Andy O'Neill and I help entrepreneurs like you add automation to their business. In our use case today, I'll show you how to use Make.com with a regular expression to match and extract the YouTube video ID from its iFrame embed code. We will be using the match pattern module that enables you to find and extract string elements matching a certain pattern for a given text. And I'll link to the documentation for this module in the description. The search pattern we will use is a regular expression that will be generated by Chat GPT. Here's an example of the YouTube video iframe embed code that we're going to use. And you can see the YouTube ID in that code block. That's what we want to extract. And just a quick note here, this is simply an example. You can use this technique on any long strings that have a predictable pattern. So let's generate our regular expression from Chat GPT. The prompt that I used here was create a regular expression that extracts the YouTube video ID from its iFrame embed code. For example, extract, and I've put the ID there from this particular embed code, from, and then I've put the embed code. So I'm giving Chat GPT the entire embed code and telling it what piece of that we want so it can generate an accurate regular expression. Here's the regular expression that Chat GPT generated. Just a note, if you attempt to replicate this on Chat GPT, even with the exact same prompt, you will likely get a different answer than what I have here. In fact, Chat GPT has generated at least 2 regular expression patterns that have worked for this use case. All right, so now let's jump over to Make.com and add this to our scenario. But first, if this video is valuable to you, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Doing so tells the YouTube algorithm this video should be shown to more entrepreneurs like you. Okay, so we're in our scenario now, and you can see I have a compose string module here where I've simply put in the embed code. Obviously, you would map from whatever step that you need to map from to get it into the text parser match pattern module. So what we're going to do is go configure this. Let's open this up a little bit. So I have my regular expression that Chat GPT gave me. You notice I have everything to know here. This works for my scenario. You might want to check it for yours if you're not getting the results you want. Check the documentation and see if there's something that you need to turn to yes. And then down here for our text, I've mapped that iframe code. So that iframe code will come in here. It will be this regular expression, a pattern will be applied to it, and then we'll get the result. So let's run this. All right, let's look at the results of our module here. So you can see here's the text that we brought in, and here is the result that we were looking for. And right here you can see that's exactly right. So this extracted that YouTube ID from this embed iframe code perfectly. If you'd like to see how I've used this in an actual scenario, click the link on the screen right now, and that'll take you over to that video where I show you how I use this particular technique to manage the newsletters in my Gmail inbox. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.